how to find username on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I am going to show you how you can find your username on Spotify. So let's get started. So if you go to your Spotify application and see on your profile, you can find your username there. So in order to find your username, just go on any Chrome browser or any browser you have and type spotify.com. Make sure that you are logged in into your account. Now after that, this type of homepage will be appeared on your screen. From here, click on the edit profile option from the account section. And finally, in this home screen, you can see the username that is consist of different letters and numbers. This username is given by the Spotify application when you first created your account. You can't change or edit your username. So that's all. This is how easily in a simple step you can find username on your Spotify account. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.